And I'm back. That's right, I'm back. You can't keep this man down. At least not forever. Undaunted by all who may come against me. And besides, it's 4th of July, so America, right? Okay, so this is the second, technically third Ryobi thing I have. 2 of them being gifted by my dad. Not my father, he's my dad. This one here is the Ryobi, it says right there, hole stud detector. Comes with AAA batteries. You pull the tab, if you could pull it out, you can pull it out there, the tab, pull out the tab, it activates the AAA batteries to powering said units. And we're gonna give it a try. I watched this on YouTube, and it gives you a nice indication based on where the lights are. They light up based on where the, whoa, what finger you're pointing there. Based on, you could actually see it track the wall. It'll actually show, kind of like that. Watch that figure. Kind of like that. You can kind of see it. The lights will light up with the studies. I would show you, but every time I turn it on, it's there we go. It's out. Be right back. Yeah, all kinds of. Whoa. This is a stud finder. You're gonna find it all. Whoa, sorry, it just keeps. I don't get it. This is a stud finder, and it's got. Now the cool thing is, after you find out by pushing, pushing the little button there. After pushing that in, you hold it, you let it get its thing going. It settles down. You hold it, push it in, it starts up, and then after that, you keep it held in. You put it to the wall, you move around, and you'll actually see these lights light up, and you could see it follow. You could actually see the outline of the actual stud. It's pretty cool. I hate my neighbors, by the way. Don't ever have neighbors if you want to YouTube. I don't hate anybody, but I hate the effects of the neighbors on my videos. Suck on it, neighbors. Stupid. But once, look at this. You push this little button. Once you find out this is the middle where I want to be, you push that. And it's pretty cool. You can see that. Watch. See it? Yeah. And push that, and it actually pokes. You can make a marker where you want to insert your fastener, if that's what you're doing. Unless you're some sort of sadist that likes to just put little holes in the wall. Maybe. There's all kinds of people out there. No judging here. So, I would turn it on, but I can't. Every time I turn it on, it goes crazy. So for some reason, I don't know. My wife has to use it. I guess I'm the only stud it ever needs to find. Anyway, it's pretty cool. I don't know. So, whatever you think, stud finder. No, seriously though. In all seriousness, I watch a lot of YouTube videos. I'm sure if you're into the stud finders, you want to find a stud finder, do your homework, check out the YouTube, look at different ones. The price of this thing was great. It was only, maybe, was it $30? I don't know. My wife spent the money, I just asked for it. Price is good. Cool little poker thing, right in the middle there. Ease of operation, super simple. It even has instructions right on the unit. Come on. What could be simpler, really? If I just want it, well, if I hand it to my wife to get the proper operation, because, this goes nuts with me. So, boom, find it, you poke it, you find it and you poke it. Let's probably some fraternity's motto right there. Just find it and poke it, Chad. Serious videos. This is serious. I don't want to overuse that word, but this is as serious as I can get. Hold it down. Ooh, there's my stud. Poke it. You little poke. Choke and poke, baby. Choking. Anybody ever play baseball? Choke and poke in there, sport. Anyway, that means choke up on the bat. You poke it. Wouldn't it be more like fling it or choke and swing it? Fling it, twist it, pump it and dump it? No, that's a different. That's probably for the. That's for the septic tank companies, you know, pump it and dump it, baby. Pump it and dump it. Maybe. I don't know. So, Ryobi Stud Finder. Let me get a model number for you. Oh. You'll notice I have the glasses on, so this is serious. Comes with a 3-year limited warranty. Tool only. Probably don't warranty the batteries. That'd be stupid. Oh, I dropped the thing. Doesn't matter. I don't think that's a model. Hold on. Comes with an operator's manual. Now, at what point, if I start acquiring these Ryobi tools, do I have to stop calling myself Mankita? I am Mankita. Do I call myself Ryobi? Is that someone? That's probably already taken. Some DIYer with no girlfriend. Maybe it's probably a freaking woodworker, right? He's like, hi, I'm Ryobi. Or maybe Ryobeast. Could be the Ryobeast. Maybe. You'd alienate the Southern Baptists to beast, mark of the beast, maybe. I don't know. So I'm not sure the model number. Oh, here we go. Yes, it's true. Model number is ESF 50002. I don't know why they settle on that number. That's a lot of numbers. Why not the 5.2? Is there a 5000 or 5004? I don't know. But it comes with instructions. It comes with AA bat. Hold fudge. Be right back. I didn't mean to say. Hold the phone. My wife is gonna kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. So, I've lost my mind. So it comes with AAA batteries. It's a whole stud detector, not partials. Now, does that mean if your stud goes halfway up, ain't detecting anything above it? That's not what it means by whole versus non-whole. I don't know what that means. Was it not certified to find a half a stud or a 1x or some sort of scabbed on nailer? Maybe. I threw out some terms that made it look like I know building. I don't. I know tearing down emotionally, tearing down physically, everything. It comes with a, you can look at that. If you love barcodes or whatever QR codes, you can scan this thing and probably get the instructions. Yeah, so it's, yeah, complete instructions and troubleshooting. How difficult could it be? But of course, it's Ryobi, so it's made for the simples. Simple people that just want to DIY it. I don't know. Anyway, that's enough for the stud thing. If you want a demonstration on how it works, I have to get my wife to do it because it just goes nuts when I'm just too much stud. It's like, I've looked no further. There's the stud. I found it. That must be why it doesn't work when I hold it. So, unless it's some sort of a moron detector as well. It's in fine print. Yeah, it also detects morons. So, but then I don't think that might be half of the Ryobi's demographic. It's morons. I don't know. Anyway, it's 4th of July. Have a great one. Don't blow yourself up or other people. Just a little bit of action there, a little bit. Anyway, see you later.